Firstly, I want to thank everyone for the tremendous feedback on the last video. It means a lot to me. It gives me the strength to keep bringing content to this channel. For those who don't know, I have more channels in different niches, and to avoid disrupting the algorithm, I won't disclose them here. Those familiar with YouTube will understand what I mean. Secondly, thanks for the 490 subscribers. We're very close to 500, so if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Alright guys, check this out.
Welcome to our journey into the fascinating story of the world-renowned masterpiece, the Mona Lisa. The artist's vision narrator. Our story begins in the 16th century when a brilliant artist named Leonardo da Vinci embarked on a quest to create an unparalleled portrait. Behind the enigmatic smile narrator, as the painting progressed, Leonardo infused the piece with an air of mystery, captivating the audience with the enigmatic smile of his subject. Stolen and found narrator. The Mona Lisa has had a tumultuous history. In 1911, the painting was stolen from the Louvre Museum, sending shockwaves through the art world. Cultural icon narrator. Despite the theft, the Mona Lisa emerged as a cultural icon, attracting millions of visitors each year and becoming a symbol of beauty and intrigue. Artistic techniques narrator. Beyond its captivating subject, the Mona Lisa showcases Leonardo's innovative artistic techniques, like his mastery of sfumato and his extraordinary attention to detail. Enduring legacy narrator. Today, the Mona Lisa remains one of the most celebrated artworks, admired for its timeless beauty and profound impact on the art world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the captivating story of the Mona Lisa. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of art.
People are making money on YouTube and even TikTok creating story videos and stuff, monetizing with AdSense. What you just watched is a resume of Mona Lisa's story made by AI. The script as well as the animated Mona Lisa were made by AI, but the brown background I made myself. Now let's get to know the platform that allowed me to create this video. First things first. Yep. Type heygen.com and click enter. I went directly to homepage because I have an account, but let me show you in 10 seconds how to create your account. Click on Get Started for free. Sign up with email. Type your email here and click Send Code. You will receive a code in the specified address. Copy the code and paste in the verification code space. You can also sign up using Google account or Facebook. So back at it, let's start creating the video. In this video, I won't use templates as I did in previous videos. I will create, I don't know if you say from scratch, but just click directly in Create Video. Choose Landscape. Now let me pick an avatar. There is a wide variety of them, and you can even add your own. Notice that we have a white background. Let's turn it green so we can edit later on and add a customized background. You can also upload the customized background in Asset, but I didn't because I wanted to add the shadow effect and animate that brown background. When you finish all steps I will show, you just need to use green screen effect to eliminate this green background. Now let's create a script. You can do it yourself or use GPT-4 scriptwriter. For a tutorial video like this, it's smarter to use GPT scriptwriter as I did in the previous video. So, click in the ChatGPT icon. Now I'll write a very beginner prompt here. If you want a complete video using a mix of platforms to make a long and complete video from scratch using AI and that human touch, let me know. I'll do it even if the video gets too long, like a 20 minutes video. And of course, it includes generating scripts for video with high quality prompts. LMAO seems like he didn't get, or I didn't prompt him well. I wanted to name him Tubo, but he ended up calling me Tubo. I'll be back when the script is generated. Script generated. Now, let's have a look. It looks good, but I'm not sure if this is for a 4 minutes video. I'll copy this so we can edit. There are some things that we don't need here. Let me open Google Docs. Google Docs opened. Let's create a new document. Paste the script here. Let's separate paragraphs and stuff so we can see clearly what is happening and eliminate what we don't need. Alright, now it looks exactly how we saw in HeyGen. We don't need things like this. We have to locate all text like this to eliminate them. Some of them you may need just to introduce some parts of the video. It's up to you. Now it's fully edited. Let me copy all of this. And paste right here. Let's play scripts to hear how it sounds.
Welcome to our journey into the fascinating story of the world-renowned masterpiece, the Mona Lisa. The artist's vision narrator, our story
I guess it's enough. As I was thinking, it's not a 4 minutes video, but this kind of situation can be avoided with a high-quality prompt. Now let's submit the video. It will cost us 1.5 credits. Let me review real quick. Now let's wait until the video is ready. My video is ready. Whenever it's done, they send you an email so you don't have to wait just watching it load. After downloading, you just have to edit the video the way you want using the green screen effect. Hope you learned something with this video. Surely you did, and that's why in exchange, I ask you to leave a like in this video and subscribe for more content like this. Well, it's all for today, guys. See you guys in the next opportunity.